family.
Yeah, unrollers.
And me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we.
Hey guys.
Me them cars.
Me and squad.
Road settings.
Where's Jazz? Where's Jazz? Where's Jazz? Jazzy! we out here guys. So we're headed to Tina's birthday party. We're gonna do a lot more vlogging once we get inside, but we just wanted to let you guys know that we're here.
So we have to kick it off.
Squatty there. Squatty there. Shop.
Hey.
We're clean like a blows our skirt.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, we'll be back a little later. All right, bye. So we out here. We got Jazz over there. We got Squatty.
I'm gonna show them how we're gonna take it to the streets.
Yes.
No Ed.
No Ed. All right.
What's up? Don't pull up at 6 a.m. in the car. Put yourself on like
Yo, Tina!
You gone?
Tina!
Friend.
And that's the walk go home with them.
Well, these are my peoples for the night. We got Jermaine. We got Jazz.
Yeah, man, they don't know, so we are mad. Woodstock, bro. Put the family that they know, so Woodstock.
Woodstock, yeah, girl.
Matamore.
Look at Jasmine. Look at Jasmine.
Yo, take that shit away. Put it away.
Jermaine, where are you, Jermaine? Where are you? Where's your bandit? Where is it?
Syrup, white.
Listen.
man and two guys from the champagne and we see up and we feel like them after. Look at. Yes,
Far to shot, you guys. Wish we had more time, but.
look at them, we have to keep it down.
Wait, what's going on here? What's going on here? What? Carry her.
Yo, Buzzer! You go with the block. You got a sweet.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Yeah. Huh?
No, where did it? Hold on, put it on. The thing sitting up. Now, when we usually work out, we don't use it. You are clean up, you know, I'm about to use this thing. No. Yo. One.
So, how about we wasted all of 40 minutes outside?
I know 40, no, 1 hour.
1 hour?
1.5 hours.
Wait, we going to the hotel. Is this like done that?
It's like, why? like why?
It just took us like another 20 minutes, you guys, to find the actual like hotel room that we're going to. Jermaine, show us some Jamaican moves. Bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing.
No moving, no, guys, make me freeze out of door.
So much fun, guys. All right, 1704. Where did he go?
Wait.
1702, 1703, 1706, 17... Oh, down there, straight.
Done.
Who that bitch though?
Done.
Who that? Oh. Oh. But Tina, this is not even acceptable though. Party.
Look at my cousin.
This.
Say hi.
Hi.
Baby daddy.
Hey, baby daddy. All right, you guys. So now we're in the telly. We're chilling. Jasmine's playing the tunes. Not the one you'd expect to be playing the tunes. But she's playing the tunes.
People look down and stop.
Oh my God. Guys, we're gone. I'm gone. Are you gone, Jermaine? Are you gone, Jazz?
Go ahead.
I'm gone, you guys.
No, we breathing. We not gone. We right here. We breathing. We alive. Ooh.
Cindy gone and me have to hold it.
Wait, who's sleeping though? Wait.
That's the birthday girl.
She's chilling. I see. She said, "What the fuck? I'm out of here."
She's gone.
She's chilling.
I did better than that. I wasn't gone. Actually, I drove home after my birthday. And I had a birthday just like this. I had a bunch of people there, mad bottles.
Really? So why you never make it?
Shantae was there. Shantae was there. Right, Shantae? Squad.
See that?
You're leaving me in 2 days though. Why?
You need to come out of the freezer, I know.
Jermaine!
Yeah, man, you know?
But I've been dealing with the freezer for like almost damn 30 years. Like,
You can't deal with it nothing for 1 day.
but you dealt with it though.
Show the mercy I got.
I trust the mercy I got.
God, yeah.
Mercy I got.
I know, for the
Mercy.
thing.
Guys.
Everybody will live a foreign when they come to Jamaica. I'll keep one party to everyone.
Why? They got you enough, don't you?
Holy. I don't like what I think, but
So guys,
every man a jam down for come take a chip.
so everybody in America, if you've gone through a winter in America, when you come to Jamaica, Jermaine will have a party for you.
What's your passport?
Not tonight, we're just what? Tonight we feel like spend some cash. Cool on the Benzos. Hey! You know not going. They're not going. Hey! Low.
Everybody say.
Yeah. Good, low.
Yeah, if you say yeah, come around and say yeah.
Low. Hey!
Yeah, rum that's it. You're drinking Gary, man.
I didn't finish it. We can stop them. This guy.
I'm out here. Yeah, man. Push over me.
This guy.
Nothing. Yeah, I do.
Waiting for mad long in the line.
And she had a good time. Look, she drunk now.
Well,
Right?
will you do that again?
Never.
Is that gonna happen again?
Never again, love.
What is your name?
Chad.
Chad?
Chad, yeah.
All right, Chad. Next time, don't do that to me.
Tina told me that you gotta go right
Cindy
away.
does
this time.
not wait in a line ever. I was very
Since you
salty.
got me in your video, I put a good shirt on me. What's up, man? Niggas got me in here for my chest.
Go ahead.
What's up, man?
Yes, let's do this.
Beautify Tina's birthday. What we doing? We out here, man. What's up? What we doing?
We out here. You know, it started off a little rough, but we having a good time. We
love.
had a good
Big
time.
love.
Now we in the telly, just chilling, sipping some scissor.
Some Patron. I don't know what scissor. That's crack. I don't drink scissor. I drink Patron, beloved.
I'm sipping some Ciroc. And whatever else Jermaine gave to me. I don't know what he gave me.
No, man, we just there in that place. I do just. I go and do the bongo bongs.
Bongo bongs. Load. Who is Bongo? Tell me who's Bongo. Who is Bongo? She knows who Bongo is. Who's Bongo?
If y'all do know who he is, y'all can just not stop. Don't watch the video.
Tell him who Bongo is though.
Grandpa.
All right. Done.
Yeah.
Done.
Who?
All right.
Who is
Jazz
he?
knows who Bunga is. You see? Bunga represented right here. You see?
Sila.
Big up Bunga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sila.
Yeah. Big up Bunga. Guys, Jermaine said he is ready to get the out of here. Jermaine, is that true? You want to leave me?
Real talk. You can't take the fridge.
Jermaine says he's gonna need like a week to thaw out, you guys. Hola. ¿Cómo tú estás? Bueno. Sí, yo tengo.
Sure.
Tomas.
Come on, little.
Come on, Jasmine. You think you're the only one who knows Spanish? You think you're the only one who knows Spanish? I know this shit too. Tomas mi tiqueto, por favor.
Put it on me. Put it on me. Camelito.
We are ready, you guys. Did you guys have a good time?
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Had a good time,
Thank
but
you.
it was too short. That wait in the VIP line for the birds.
Forever. Never again.
For the birds.
First. Why?
If I see a line, I'm not doing it. But how you buy bottles and you still stand online for 40 minutes? Like, Tina, only you. Only you, sweetheart. Only you. Yes. Are we good? Are we good? Any scratches?
Yeah. $40.
Any scratches though? No scratches? Do I have to look? Do I have to examine? What the guys, tell me why I just scared the living shit out of myself. The living. Oh my God, I'm still recovering. I wish you could hear what was happening with my chest right now. I really wish you could hear what was happening. If you guys follow me on Snap, then you know that I did something very impulsive the other day. I have this fabric that I purchased in London that I want to have made into something. I know exactly what I want. I asked around. I said, okay, where can I find like a Bronx person, someone in the Bronx to like that knows how to make clothes? Because I've never had that done before. I've never made clothes before. And I kept getting this one name. Reached out to her. Didn't hear back in 2 days. And so I went and I purchased my own sewing machine because I said, fuck it. I'm gonna make my own shit. Because Cindy thinks that she can do everything. I legit feel like I can do everything. I feel like everything is second nature to me. And if I put my mind to it and I want to get something made, I'm gonna make it. I got the sewing machine. I got the form, the dress form thing. I got scissors. I mean, you name it, I got it. Anyway, it's been here. By the way, I haven't opened anything yet, by the way. I haven't touched this machine yet. I've had it for maybe 2 weeks. Anyway, so I come home just now, hella excited. I walk into my kitchen and I get here and I look and I just about died looking in that direction because I swore somebody was in my apartment. And if it wasn't somebody, I'm like, it has to be a ghost because this shit is white. I nearly died. Do you guys want to see what I saw? Look. Guys, what the fuck? That's what I saw. This morning, I freaking put a sweater because I was going to wear that sweater. And I didn't wear it. So I'm like, oh, let me just hang it up on here. That's kind of cool. And I hung it on the dress form in my bedroom. So now I come in and this shit is right there. And I was not expecting it. I'm like, oh my God. This shit scared me. Guys. Oh my God. Anyway, you guys, now that my heart is no longer in my throat, I can actually oh, I forget sometimes that this blouse is see-through on the back. I wear a jacket, don't worry. Anyway, so like I said, now that my heart is no longer in my throat, let me share what I really wanted to share with you, okay? And it's this little package here that I just got from FedEx. I'm super excited about seeing the contents. And I wanted to share with you guys. And ready? And ready? All right, let's go. Guys, if you know me, know me, know me. Is this camera dirty? Hold on. All right, that's much better. So like I was saying, if you guys know me, then you have to know just how excited I am about what's in this box right now. Like, guys. Ah! Yes, so that's Tasty's cheese Easter bun. Oh my God, guys. I'm so excited. Love Easter, even though honestly I eat bun and cheese all year round. All year round I eat bun and cheese. Yeah, you guys. So I'm especially excited about this because I didn't have to leave my house. I didn't have to go join any line. I didn't have to do any of this. So National actually has a new website, and National is the company behind HTB buns, the popular Jamaican buns. Yes, they actually have a new website. I think it's called atasteofjamaica.com, where you can go and order all your bun and cheese needs. They have 4 bundles from like varying prices. Of course, me being the greedy person that I am, I think I got one of the bigger bundles, which includes 6 buns. Yeah, I didn't say that wrong. I said 6 buns. 6 buns! 6 buns and 2 cheese. I get this size cheese right here. They have like bundles with like 1 bun, 1 tin of cheese, maybe 2 buns. I don't know. Like they have 4 different bundles, you guys. So if you have a big family, there's a bundle there for you. If it's just you by yourself and you're not as greedy as I am, there's a bundle for you too. I'm super excited about this. Obviously, this makes it very easy for people who live in the States, live abroad. You know, you can easily go on the website, order whatever it is you need for your Easter, your bun and cheese or whatever. I believe the factory is in Brooklyn. So if you live in the tri-state area like I do, literally within 2 days of placing your order, you will have your bun and cheese at your doorstep. Okay. So yeah, if you live in the States, if you live in some country town, some backwards town, some some bush, some real country, and you don't have your, like, you know, Jamaican stores where you can get all this stuff, definitely check out the website, A Taste of Jamaica. How appropriate. Check out the website, A Taste of Jamaica. Get all your bun and cheese needs right there, right there. I'm gonna make me a sandwich right now. Right now. Look at all of that, guys. Literally 6 buns. 6 buns. 2 cheese. Personally, the way that I eat my bun and cheese, I would need 1 of these to each bun. Come like for junk my cheese. Junk it, junk it, junk it. See? 1 of each to each. There. So if I had 4 more cheese, it'd be perfect. But I'm gonna make it do what it do. Yeah, I am. So there it is, you guys. HTB Jamaican buns with your cheese. You're literally like just a click away from your very own supply of bun and cheese. I'm back. Anyway, you guys, today is my first day without Jermaine. Jermaine gonna left me. I'm very sad. Very, very sad, you guys. Gotta turn on this TV here. Come on now. I can't see whether or not you're on or not. Thank you very much. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, today is my first day without Jermaine in what's been a couple months. I miss him. I miss him, and I know you guys are gonna miss him too, because he really does make the vlogs hella funny. It's hard not to fucking, like, it's hard not to die of laughter when Jermaine's around. I just wanted to say that he is gone. He left me and gone. And yeah, that's where we are. Plus, I wanted to share the fact that I almost got a damn heart attack from that damn dress form thing. And the bun and cheese, which you guys check them out, okay? At tasteofjamaica.com. Get all your bun and cheese needs. Just got home from work. I'm about to have some soup. I bought some soup. I felt like having soup today.
You must blood family.